I suppose I'm the only man alive today to have rode in the Costa Bar and come back to tell it.
Costa Bar. It was his lordship's carriage you saw. His coachman told me they found you rooting in the mud of the road, so far gone in grief, you were out of your mind entirely.
Pony, I heard you were going to live in Cahersabeen.
I am.
Then why don't you be on your way and leave us alone?
Don't worry, I will. I've heard enough silly blather about little people to last me a lifetime.
What kind of man are you at all that doesn't believe in the little people?
Maybe you'd like to find out?
Indeed I would. You know, somebody beat me over the head that night, and I thought it was the little people. But when I spoke to King Brian about it, he said that you should take the consequences.
What consequences?
Indeed, that's what I asked His Majesty. And you know what he said? He said, if I were you, I'd clout the blackguard in the face.
Pony, my darling. Oh, my poor face.
Hold your whist, I'll have no more from you.